Flutterflow versus Appgyver. We're going to be comparing key features, the pricing, and which one I would choose. For the key features for Flutterflow, you can create app design and development all with one tool. Some of the key features include animation, push notifications, a light and dark mode, and being able to create chat or group chat in just a few minutes. You can also collaborate with your team, which is a plus. The key feature that really separates Flutterflow than the rest of the competition in the no-code world is that you can export clean code. Very few platforms can do this, and especially where you're creating native apps, Flutterflow sets themselves apart. For Appgyver, you can have native performance, you can have unlimited logic. So as you're going through building with Appgyver, you can visually build out what different buttons do, how you interact with different pieces of content or what you're doing with the app. You can do that with unlimited logic. You can have over 500 components. You have a powerful theme engine, and you can integrate APIs in minutes. So if you're going to be tapping into another database or interacting with another platform, you're going to be able to do that with Appgyver. Let's take a look at pricing. For Flutterflow, you can start for free. You can have 50 plus pre-built components. You can have custom widgets, Firebase integration, screen templates, run mode, custom functions, third-party integrations, and team collaborations. You can do all of that to get started for free. Moving into the standard plan, you can have everything that the free plan has, but you can download the APK and you can download your source code. That's really huge. So again, if you're looking to create something and then maybe look to leave the platform, you can still take your source code with you with the standard plan. Moving on to the Pro plan, you can deploy to the App Store and Play Store. You can have custom APIs, GitHub integration, and Firebase Content Manager. This plan really allows you to level up your idea, your app, whatever you're trying to do. And I like how you can progressively test out Flutterflow, and you can still use the components when you're getting started for free, but able to scale up. And when you're ready, guess what? Then you can deploy it to the App Store and the Play Store after you have your MVP using the standard plan and then going from there. Let me know in the comment section down below, which feature do you really like? Which one do you need for your project and why? The pricing structure for Appgyver is pretty simple. It's free. That's right, it's free for life. Back in October 2021, Appgyver switched their plan. Before it was free until you made a couple $1,000,000 and it'd switch over. Now it's completely free for everyone forever. Looking at Flutterflow and Appgyver, which one would I choose? The winner is Flutterflow. I like this platform for a number of different reasons. Number one, the team is scaling and building so many different components out. It's really amazing to see what they've done in 21. And actually, you can check out one of their articles showing you a recap of all of the different things that they built out in 2021. That really gives me a lot of confidence, and I like how much the team keeps building month over month. And they're quite active, so you can talk to the team, see what they're building, and there's a lot of different things that they're doing, and including custom widgets. I like how they were talking about doing things with OpenAI, which allows you to do a lot of different things with GTP3 and artificial intelligence. There's a lot of things that is coming up that I really like. Also, run mode allows me to experience the app, see what's going on, and be able to improve quickly. I like that. And that's just the beginning. They're just getting started. I really like their team. Another reason I like this platform better is because you can be accessing the experts and you can look at the showcase of different apps being built, and I can use those templates. So number one, I can access different experts. That's excellent. If I feel like I need to focus on marketing or focusing on the vision, I can just hire an expert, depending if I have the budget to do that. If I don't have the budget, but I want to really visualize what I can and cannot do, I would take a look at the showcase, and that allows me to view the different projects and actually copy over some of these templates for myself. You can look at some of these projects already created and clone them from these templates and start building on them. That's huge. Now, that kind of goes and talks about why I didn't choose Appgyver. There's a number of reasons, but there's a few that I'll point out. Number one, since they've been acquired, they have stopped pretty much building. Now, of course, when you get acquired, different business, decisions and everything has changed, but Appgyver pretty much has been dead in the water for the last year and a half plus. And what I mean by that is the progression of having templates is not available in this version of Composer Pro for Appgyver. And number two, which is a huge thing, they used to have a database that you could be using, similar to Bubble, where you could be building in Appgyver, because it's free for life, which is wonderful, but they have stopped supporting their database. You need to use a third-party database, such as Xano or Backendless. Yes, it's true that Appgyver is free, but how much I'm going to be getting charged for the database costs and all of those things. I'd rather go with Flutterflow and just use Firebase or something like that and just start scaling and progressing versus doing that with Appgyver and trying to Frankenstein it together. And there's no support with that. In the community, the builders just aren't there. I don't see any light at the end of the tunnel with what's going on with Appgyver. In the comment section down below, if you disagree or you're saying, hey, I'm a developer, I can build all those things, let us know, because we get questions all the time, inquiries about if we can use Appgyver. We'll definitely send them your way. But I've seen a lot of people that they're choosing Appgyver because it's a cheaper price point, which I definitely understand. But building something that's scalable, I would go with Flutterflow or other platforms than Appgyver. Now, on the flip side, if I do not have the money at all, would I still use Appgyver? Maybe, but then I would say, why wouldn't I just use the free plan of Flutterflow, already have everything built there, and then when I'm scaling up, I have enough money to be able to go into the standard or the other plans. If I keep scaling and it becomes profitable, I can still go scale up into other plans on Flutterflow, or guess what? I can take my code and go somewhere else. I mean, there's so many more advantages why I'm going to be using Flutterflow. In the comment section down below, let me know what you're planning to build and which platform would you choose. And remember, this is all based on the functionality and what you need to create. So there are no right or wrong answers. Let me know which one you would choose and why. And if you're interested in these kind of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week. There are tons of other videos talking about the same subject. There's going to be a link right there to show you the next video up, and we'll see you in the next video.